6 ForwardX Apex 2000 autonomous forklifts serve a 15,000 square meter facility transporting control cabinets for robotic arms. After cabinet assembly is complete, the system verifies the corresponding robotic arms assembly progress. If complete, Apex units across 2 floors collaborate to transport cabinets out using relay transportation, ensuring orderly tasks and efficiency. An Apex 2000 unit on the 2nd floor transports and loads the control cabinets precisely within the elevator. Then, the scheduling system directs another Apex 2000 unit on the 1st floor to quickly dock with the arriving elevator and transport the cargo to the designated unloading point, ensuring efficient logistics. Addressing growing manufacturing demands for flexibility, ForwardX AMRs integrate with robotic arms, driving innovation towards the future of fully automated processes. At the Zhangjiang showroom, 5 ForwardX Flex 300 AMRs seamlessly integrate with robotic arms, guided by ForwardX's Fleet Manager, ERMS, and RPS system for precise task execution. The integration of the AMR chassis and mounted robotic arms with interlinked safety circuits ensures a secure operating environment. Apex 2000 elevator interaction, showcasing innovation. Forklifts equipped with advanced sensors ensure safe docking, enhancing efficiency and safety. Indicator light systems regulate traffic in storage areas, further boosting operational safety